how to rename app in Android. Hello guys, in this quick video I will tell you how you guys can rename any app in Android. So it was very easy. For example, you want to change your WhatsApp name to another name or your Facebook name or any other app. So I will tell you how you guys can do that. For that, I will simply press on that app. Or let's suppose click on Capert. I want to change Capert name to another. So I will hold on it. Once you hold on it, you guys will see app info, uninstall, share, edit. To simply click on edit. Once you click on edit, you guys will see app name, also save reset option. So for example, I want to change my app name to another name. So I will write the new name. Like, I write a name. After that, you guys can simply click on save. Once you guys click on save, your app name will be changed. Let me show you here we go. Our Capert name was changed to our specific name. There's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.